Story time! Okay, this is very TMI, but I have never had a yeast infection in my whole life or a UTI. Like, never had anything down there. So I woke up yesterday feeling like something was off. And I started freaking out, so I texted, this happened on Sunday. This happened on Sunday. I woke up and I was feeling like something was wrong, so I texted my gynecologist and I was like, I need to come in first thing tomorrow morning. And she was like, I literally cannot book you on my cellular device. Please call the office as soon as they open. So I called the office. They don't have an availability for 2 weeks. I'm over here like, I don't even think I'm gonna last 24 hours not knowing what's happening. So I take my little self to TikTok and I start doing some research in combination with Google, both of which probably not the best, but this is where the kicker is. You guys, I literally found the all-time hack home remedy for a UTI and a yeast infection. You get a spray bottle. You get really warm water. You fill it up a little over 3/4 of the way with the really warm water. Yeah. You literally add this. You give it a good shake. You spread open wide and you squirt this up there. I'm not kidding, you guys. I feel crazy even saying this as well, but I think I cured myself in less than 24 hours. Of course, my doctor calls me this morning. She's like, I had a cancellation today. Do you want it? So I'm going in just to make sure. But like, I don't know why this isn't more talked about. Vinegar, warm water, shake it up, squirt it up there. Every time you go to the bathroom, spritz, 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 pat, 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 gone. If anyone tries this out, you need to let me know. I don't know if it's placebo or what, but like, whoo, we are onto something. Apple cider vinegar might be the new Windex.